Good morning all. Sairam. My name is Usha Bhandari. Children, welcome back to all in your online classes. Children, I hope you all have learned and done all the work which I given you in my previous video. Children, in the previous video I have discussed about the basic of computer. Today we are going to discuss about the following topics. The contents are the keyboard and its functions. Next is evolution of computer. Last is memory and storage. Children, first of all, we will study about the keyboard and its functions. Children, keyboard is an important part of a computer. It has different types of keys. These keys are used to type letters, numbers, and special characters. Children, have you seen a Casio, mobile, and calculator? One thing is common in all. What is that? Children, they all have a keypad with many keys. Each key has different function. In same way, computer has a keyboard with many keys. Children, a keyboard has three types of keys. Number 1 alphabet key, 2 numbers key, and third is special keys. Children, this is the picture of keyboard. The first key is alphabetic key. Children, the keys with the letter A to Z are called alphabet keys. They are 26 in number. These keys are used to type letters, words, and sentences. Children, this is the picture of alphabet keys. Next is number key. Children, these keys have numbers on them from 0 to 9. They have 10 in number. These keys are placed above the alphabet keys. Children, this is the picture of number keys from 0 to 9. They are used to type any number, example, roll number, class, telephone number, date of birth, etc. The number keys are also present on the right side of the keyboard. Last is special key. Children, the special keys have different symbols on them. Like these are the symbols present on the keys. Children, the special keys. These are the special keys. Caps lock, spacebar key, backspace key, delete key, arrow key, and enter key. These all are special key. Children, I will discuss the special keys one by one. The number 1 is caps lock key. Children, caps lock key is used to type letters in capital. Press the caps lock key once, the caps lock light will on. This is the picture of caps lock key. The second special key is space bar key. Children, the space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give spaces between the words. Children, this is the picture of space bar key. The next special key is enter key. Children, enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line on the screen. Children, this is the picture of enter key. The next special key is arrow key. There are 4 arrow keys that help to move the cursor on the screen. Children, this is the upward arrow key. It is used to move the cursor upward. This is the left arrow key. It is used to move the cursor to the left side. This is right arrow key. It is used to move the cursor to the right side. This is down arrow key. It is used to move the cursor downward. The next special key is backspace key. This key erases the letters typed at the left side of the cursor. Children, this is the picture of backspace key. The last special key is delete key. Children, delete key erases the letter at the right side of the cursor position. Children, this is the picture of delete key. Children, after study about the keyboard, we are going to learn about the evolution of computer. First, we will discuss about the history of computer. Number 1 is abacus. Children, abacus is a first calculating device. It was first mechanical device for calculations which is developed in China. It is developed in 3000 BC before. The abacus is made up of wooden frame with rod, each having beads. The frame is divided into 2 parts. The upper part is called heaven, having 2 beads in it. The lower part is called earth, which consists of 5 beads. It is used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Children, this is a picture of abacus. It is divided into 2 parts. This frame is divided into 2 parts. The upper part is called heaven. The lower part is called earth. The upper part consists of 2 bits and the lower part consists of 5 bits. It is used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. After the abacus, the next machine is Pascal adding machine. Children, this is the picture of Pascal adding machine. Children, the Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented a first mechanical calculator in the year 1642. It was capable of performing addition and subtraction. It used gears, wheels and dials. Numbers were displayed by rotating the wheels. The gear principle was further employed in many mechanical calculations. Example, taximeter. After the Pascal adding machine, we will study about the Charles Babbage. Children, we all are aware about the Charles Babbage. He is a father of computer. Charles Babbage is a British mathematician who is considered to be a father of computer. Children, he is a father of computer, Charles Babbage. He invented a working model of mechanical computer called difference engine in 1822 and analytical engine in 1833. Children, analytical engine had 5 units: input, output, store, meal and control. Based on these units, the present computers work in a similar manner. Store was used for storing the data and meal was the calculating unit. Control unit was used for supervising all the units. Next is Augusta Ada. Children, Augusta Ada is the first programmer. She is the first programmer who suggested binary data storage 0 and 1 instead of decimal number system. Children, she is a Lady Augusta Ada. Next is ENIAC. The full form of ENIAC is Electronic Numeric Integrator and Calculator. Children, the first general purpose electronic digital computer. It was invented by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert. It consists of 18,000 vacuum tubes and was 1,000 times faster than the Mac first. Next is UNIVAC first. The full form is Universal Automatic Computer First. It is the first commercial electronic computer. Was developed by J. Presper Eckert and John Mauchly in 1951. It was also the first computer to handle both numeric and text data. Children, come to the generations of computer. Children, evolution of modern computers is commonly classified into generations of computers. Each new generation resulted in these changes. Children, look at this table. There are 5 generations of computer. Number 1, the first generation of computer is the period of the first generation of computer is 1942 1956. Second generation of computer is 1956 to 1963. The third generation of computer is 1964 to 1971. The fourth generation of computer is 1972 to present. And fifth generation of computer is the future. In first generation of computer, children, we were used at vacuum tubes and the input devices were punch cards and the storage device was magnetic tape. In second generation of computer, we were used transistors and Punch card and magnetic tapes were used as a input device, and storage device was magnetic tape. In third generation of computer, integrated circuit were used, and keyboard were used as a input device, and storage device magnetic disk were used in the third generation of computer as a storage device. In fourth generation of computer, very large scale integration of circuit is used. Mouse, scanner, sound, etc. are used as a input device, and magnetic disk with higher capacity is used as a storage device in fourth generation. In fifth generation, artificial intelligence will use, and optical fiber technology will use as a input device. Now children, in the first generation of computer, the output device was punch card, and the languages machine and assembly language were used in first generation. In second generation of computer, punch cards were used as a output device, and the languages Fortran, COBOL, BASIC, PL1 were used in the second generation of computer. In third generation of computer, monitor were used. Pascal, Fortran, COBOL and RPG languages were used in third generation of computer. In fourth generation of computer, monitor and printers are used in fourth generation of computer as a output, and RDBMS and C++ etc. are used in fourth generation of computer. And in fifth generation of computer, human speech recognition will use as a language. Now children, this is the table of generation of computer. Now children, come to the generation of computer. In generation of computer, children, the speed and storage is high, and capacity and reliability will increase, but the cost and the size of the computer is decreased. After study the evolution of computer, let's go to learn about the memory and storage. Children, you all know a computer cannot think on its own, yet it has superseded man because of its huge storage capacity. CPU is the brain of computer, you all know. In the previous video, I have taught about the CPU, why it is brain of a computer. So CPU is the brain of computer because it control all the information, and it receive through input units and store it in its memory. Children, we tend to forget things over time, but computer can retain the stored data for years together. This data can be retrieved from the computer's memory when needed. Children, in computer memory, the data will stored in the form of bits and bytes. Children, a computer can understand only two states. Number 1, on, it represent by 1, and second is off, it represent by 0. These two digits are 0 and 1 are called binary digits or bits. Children, look at this memory size. This is the table of the memory size. Children, 8-bit is equal to 1 byte. 1042 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte. 1024 KB means kilobyte is equal to 1 megabyte. 1024 megabyte is equal to 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabyte is equal to 1 terabyte. 1024 terabyte is equal to 1 petabyte. 1024 petabyte is equal to 1 exabyte. 1024 exabyte is equal to 1 zettabyte. 1024 zettabyte is equal to 1 yottabyte. These are the memory size table. Children, you all know memory of a computer is of two types, internal memory and external memory. Internal memory. Children, internal memory is also called primary memory or main memory. It is built in memory designed to store data and instruction while the computer is working. The data stored in internal memory is erased when the computer is turned off. Children, primary memory is of two types, RAM and ROM. RAM means, the full form of RAM is random access memory. ROM means read only memory. First of all, we will study about the RAM. Children, RAM means random access memory. The information stored in the memory is lost when you turn off the computer or power goes off. When we start a computer, the operating system is loaded into the RAM. The example of RAM is, in a calculator, information exists till the calculator is on. But when you turn off the calculator, all the data disappear. Second is ROM. Children, the full form of ROM is read only memory. The instructions stored in ROM cannot be changed and not lost when the computer is switched off. The example of ROM is like a audio disc which can be played, but we cannot record anything on it except in a few selected circumstances. Children, next is external memory. Children, external memory is used to store the information for the longer period. Data is not lost in the external memory even when the computer is turned off. The external memory is essential because internal storage of a computer is less. It is also called secondary memory. Children, now come to the storage devices. Children, you know You all know about the storage devices. Storage means ability to hold data and information. When we run a program, it is copied from secondary storage into the internal memory or main memory. Now children, portable storage devices. The portable storage devices are hard disk, CD, full form of CD is compact disc, DVD, full form of DVD is digital versatile disc. Next is Blu-ray disc. Next, flash drive means pen drive. Last is multimedia card. Now children, number 1 is hard disk. Children, you all know about hard disk. It is the main storage medium for the computer. Children, it is fixed inside the CPU. It can hold large amount of data. Data is recorded on both the side of the disk. Hard disk can store up to 2 terabyte to 5 terabyte of data. Children, next storage device is compact disc. The full form of compact disc means CD. It is an optical storage media. It is thin circular disc. A CD can store up to 7 MB of data and measures 4.7 inches in diameter. A CD can hold text, graphics, sound, images and videos. Children, next is DVD. The full form of DVD is digital versatile disc. Children, DVD stands for digital versatile disc. It is an optical storage device which is used for data storage and for recording movies with high video and sound quality. The storage capacity varies from 4.1 GB to 17 GB. Next is flash drive means pen drive. Children, you all know about pen drive. It is a portable device. It is popularly known as USB flash drive. It is most popular data backup device and is also known as USB flash drive. It is used to copy and moving data from one computer to another. It is small, lightweight, removable, rewritable drive. Flash drives are faster, hold more data and are more reliable. Next is multimedia card. Children, multimedia card is a storage media for portable device like mobile and digital cameras. It is used to insert the card and connect it to the computer through USB cable. The maximum capacity of multimedia card is up to 128 GB. Children, these are the pictures of storage devices. These are memory cards. This is DVD. This is CD. This is pen drive. Now children, I am giving you some homework. I hope you all are studying and doing your homework properly. Children, you have to do all the questions in your rough notebook and learn them. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. Children, fill all the blanks from the option given below. Question number 2, state true or false. Children, write T if the statement is true and write F if the statement is false. Question number 3 is guess who am I. Number 1, I move the cursor to the next line. Second, I give space between the words. Third, I type the letters in capital. Fourth, I am the longest key on the keyboard. Question number 5, I work like an eraser. Question number 4, answer the following questions. Question number 1, name any 4 special keys. Question number 2, who invented difference engine? Question number 3, what is storage device? Name any 3 portable storage devices. Question number 4, write any 2 main features of 4th generation of computer. Children, I have taught 5 generation of computers. Out of that, you have to write only 2 main feature of 4th generation of computer. Question number 5 and last, what are the difference between the RAM and ROM? Question number 5 is match the following. Children, you have to match the picture of key with their names. Now children, I hope you all are understood about the given topics. Children, we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.